To create opposite-hand versions of parts in SolidWorks, we must first select a model face or plane about which to mirror the part. Once this is selected, click Insert Mirror Part. In the Property Manager, we can select the items from the source part to be included in the opposite-hand version. This will then derive the original part file, creating the opposite-hand version. This type of mirroring produces a different result than using a mirror pattern. If you right-click on the derived body, we can edit the feature, which will allow you to include or remove information brought from the original file. Since we maintain the link to the original file, any changes made to the original will propagate through to the opposite-hand version. If we change the sketch for the jog feature in the original file, the change will also propagate through to the mirrored part. If we view the external references, we can see that there are in-context relations to the original file. If we choose to break all, the link to the original file will be broken, and therefore model changes will not propagate through to the derived version. It is important to note, however, that once you break the link to the original, it cannot be restored.